everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making plantain pancake. For this recipe you can use ripe plantain or overripe plantain. If you want your pancakes to be very sweet, it's better to use overripe plantain that has this dark back. If you have not yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have half cup of all-purpose flour already sieved, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoon of butter, 2 ripe plantains, half cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and half teaspoon of baking powder. As you can see, my well cleaned plantains is already on the cutting board. Now I'm going to show you how I peel it and how I'll be cutting it in a way that is easy for my blender to blend. I'll cut the ends of it, then slice the skin with my knife from top to down, then take it out. After that, I'm going to be cutting this plantain into smaller pieces in a circular form, as you can see how I'm doing it. After slicing it, I'll put it inside the bowl. This is how I'm going to do the rest of it. This is how my plantain looks after slicing it. I will put all these plantains inside my blender. I will add my flour. I will pour in my milk. I'll pour in my melted butter. I will add the eggs. Then I will add my baking powder, salt and nutmeg. Then I will blend it until I get a smooth paste. I will use my spoon to scrape down the sides of my blender so that everything can blend properly. Then blend it again. So guys, this is how it looks after blending it. It's not thick, it's very smooth and light, and that is exactly what you want. Now we brush my pan with a little bit of oil. I'll be frying this pancake on a medium heat. When the oil is hot, I will use my spoon to spread the batter on the pan. I'll leave it to cook for 40 seconds, then flip it over to the other side and cook it for 40 seconds as well. Then take it out. So guys, this is the end result of my plantain pancake. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.